I'll go.
Oh my god.
It keeps Wait.
All right. That's.
Take 4.
There we go.
2.
Hello, I'm Coley Parker,
And I'm Alexis Mitchell from Spire Wellness.
and today we're going to be talking about some tips to prepare you for the 5K long distance run that you'll be getting ready for.
It can be really difficult getting into running long distance, especially at the beginning. It's common to become easily fatigued and out of breath, but don't give up. It's really only a matter of time before you'll be 5K ready, but that requires some training on your part.
In this video, we are going to be going over 5 simple tips and tricks that will transform the way that you will train for your upcoming event.
Tip number 1, add short uphills. The hills require strength and endurance, so if you practice them during your training, you'll develop speed and muscle power. Hill sprints will increase flexibility in your muscles and your tendons, which reduces your risk of injury. Now, plyometrics are any exercises consisting of jumps, anything vertical, anything to kind of just get that general muscle strength where it needs to be.
All right, here we go. Tip number 2, incorporate strength training moves that target your calves, shins, quads, glutes, and core. Running alone won't increase your speed. You need to strengthen the muscles that make you move so your actions will be more powerful and more efficient.
Tip number 3, create running goals. So, set long-term goals, short-term goals, track your time, track your distance. Set those goals, whether they are short or long-term, and keep trying. Don't give up. Do not give up. So that's the key. Set those goals, maintain, dominate, and you'll be fine.
Tip number 4, use apps and technology such as Couch to 5K app and Map My Run. These will help overall see where you're going, how long you're going, how much you're running. It just is a better way of overall tracking everything when it comes to running for a 5K.
And lastly, tip number 5, register for a 5K, and paying money and having a date will keep you motivated to train. Also, we wanted to remind everyone that it's important to stretch before and after your long distance run. So, if you haven't seen yet, click the link below and watch a video on the stretches that you should be doing for a 5K or just long distance running overall.